Hello everyone, welcome back to the K-pop news channel. Recent heartbreaking news has shaken the K-pop world, especially for BTS fans around the globe. Kim Taehyung, better known as V from BTS, has tragically lost his beloved dog, Yontan, a Pomeranian who has been by his side since 2017. This loss is not only a heavy blow to Taehyung, but also to the fans who have followed the life journey of Yontan, who frequently appeared in warm and touching moments shared by the idol on social media. Yontan, affectionately called Tanny by fans, had become an inseparable part of Taehyung's life. His presence brought joy and warmth, making fans feel closer to Taehyung's personal world. Through Instagram and Weverse, Taehyung often posted adorable and funny moments with Yontan, giving his fans a glimpse into the cheerful bond they shared. This deep connection between them was evident in their interactions, making the news of Yontan's passing even more heartbreaking. Although Yontan appeared healthy and happy in public, he had struggled with serious health issues since birth. He had a weak heart and respiratory conditions, which meant that Taehyung often had to take him to the vet for intensive care. Despite these challenges, Taehyung's love and devotion to Yontan were unwavering. He often spoke about how Yontan was one of his sources of happiness, showing just how important the little dog was to him. Their bond wasn't just about having a pet, but about a deep emotional connection that was truly special. The news of Yontan's passing was first shared by Taehyung in a heartfelt post on social media. In his message, he expressed his profound grief and thanked the fans for supporting Yontan throughout his life. Almost immediately, hashtags like hashtag rest in peace YONTAN and hashtag stay strong THYUNG began trending worldwide, reflecting the massive outpouring of love and support from fans. It was clear just how much Yontan meant not only to Taehyung, but also to BTS fans, who considered him part of the larger BTS family. Taehyung's fellow BTS members also expressed their support, offering comforting words and assuring Taehyung that they were there for him during this difficult time. They understood how much Yontan meant to him, especially considering how much care and attention Taehyung had devoted to his little dog, even amidst BTS's busy global schedule. Taehyung's commitment to Yontan, even when balancing his career and personal life, is a testament to the love he had for him. Yontan's passing also highlights the emotional support pets can provide to their owners, even for celebrities like Taehyung, who live highly stressful and public lives. For Taehyung, Yontan was more than just a pet. He was a source of comfort and happiness during the challenges of life as a global idol. Their story has inspired many fans to appreciate and care for their own pets more, understanding how these animals can bring love and joy into our lives. Although Yontan is no longer with us, his memory will live on in the hearts of Taehyung and BTS fans around the world. The moments of happiness and love that Yontan brought to Taehyung and his fans will never be forgotten. Yontan wasn't just Taehyung's pet, he was a symbol of love and joy that Taehyung shared with the world. His passing is a great loss, but his legacy of unconditional love and the special bond he shared with Taehyung will remain forever. In his final message, Taehyung concluded that although the loss was immense, he would always remember Yontan with a smile. Fans, too, have vowed to continue supporting Taehyung through this painful time. Yontan may be gone, but his love and the happiness he brought to so many will live on forever. Rest in peace, Yontan. Thank you for bringing so much love and joy into the lives of so many people.